So I'm here at YOTELAIR Istanbul airport, and I wanted to give you guys a room tour in case you stay at one of these all around the world. It's the perfect place to go if you have a long layover overnight. So let's go. I got the queen bed here. I don't know what this is. Let's check it out. Oh, a refrigerator. So nice. And our TV. Phone, probably for the front desk. A fold-out table for your dinners or whatever. You sit on the bed. I love this feature. It's a strobe lights. Not really strobe, but you can change the light. There's red, blue, plenty of USB and plug adapters. There's another plug right by the bed on each side, looks like. What does this do? Oh, mood lighting. It's like the lights are off, but there's a mood lights. Turn that back on. Oh, and that's completely off. This button here moves the bed. Wait, it's so slow you probably can barely tell on the, yeah, there it goes. It lays down, sits back up if you want to watch some TV. So cool. Oh, and a big important thing, there's a thermostat. You can adjust the temperature. It is a little stuffy in here. As you can see, there's no windows, so that'll make do. We have a sink here. There's a hair dryer, some cups, plenty of towels for one night. We have our closet here. Not much of a closet, but in the closet there's a safe, some shoes, shower, and here's our toilet room with a towel warmer. If you're looking to stay at this specific YOTELAIR and you have a transfer just like I did, you go through another like transfer security before you reach this. This YOTELAIR is right by all the duty-free shops. So that's pretty much it. It's a nice compact room, and I'm gonna have a nice sleep before my 13-hour flight back to the United States.